boy did I mess this video up. I had every intention to show how I make a little flower arrangement out of this beautiful owl. The intention is to place this on a cemetery plot that doesn't have a headstone yet. And well, I recorded the whole thing and I wasn't able to see the screen, so I didn't realize that I cut off basically almost everything towards the end where you're watching me put the flowers actually in and arrange them. So I'm still posting it because I still want to keep this as a little bit of a memory. And it did come out beautiful, and you'll be able to see the results at the end. I hope you'll still enjoy watching.